Two new Havas releases just dropped, Cobra and Malibu. So let's give you a heads up about how they smell. I'll be happy to hear. Wow. Let's just quickly take out this bottle as well. Okay, let's have a look at the bottles first. So yes, same Havas bottles with different tints. Havas Cobra with that dark grey, almost black, glossy reflective tint, and Malibu has this blue, slightly greenish tint which actually looks great to me. I have all the earlier released Havas flankers and they all smell good, have amazing performance, so I'm expecting the same with these as well. Let's spray it on the left hand. Nice even atomizer, right? Havas always has pretty good atomizers. It's like a blast on the face. Bright citruses mixed with fresh spices, and yes, ginger is noticeable. And yes, that floral, herbal, slightly soapy freshness, green tea and neroli nuance. We all love that imagination DNA, right? And this is that imagination DNA which has been amped up and made more louder. And also I feel it's slightly dense and slightly warm in the background too. This is a daily wear, elegant smelling fragrance. Personally, I'm not a big fan of soapy fragrances, but I like this one because the soapiness is not too much like other dupes of imagination. In this, it's pretty balanced. Overall, a very good everyday fragrance to have in your collection, and I feel this will kill all the other dupes of imagination because, you know, Havas performance, no compromise. The smell is also really sexy. Now let's spray Malibu on the right hand, and you know this tint reminds me of that Le Beau Le Parfum bottle. Let's just spray it here. Oh, straight up pineapple, juicy, fresh and sweet, bit of citruses too, and obviously that sweet, warm, creamy tonka bean is there. Overall, this is a nice cocktail smelling fragrance. It's fruity, citrusy, sweet, smooth and sexy. I have noticed something. Versace launches their dupes pretty late compared to other brands. Like both these DNAs, Imagination and Le Beau Le Parfum already have dupes in the market since a long time, but Versace is launching it right now. Their dupes come late, but they are bangers for sure. Coming back to Malibu, another tropical fragrance, but the best part is I do not get any coconut in this one, which for some people is a win. See, I don't mind the coconut, but I have heard many people did not like that coconut accord in JPJ Le Beau Le Parfum dupes. Now, if you had to blank by one of these, which one would it be? Do let me know in the comments. And soon I'll be rating or ranking all my Havas fragrances. Now I have 8 Havas fragrances and 2 more are still yet to come, I believe. So there'll be 10 Havas fragrances. So stay tuned for that and follow me for more fragrance videos like these. See you. Bye-bye.